नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to SCL Tech. So if you want to make the Chrome your favorite Chrome browser, your default web browser, whenever you open any web page or anything you want to set your Chrome browser as a default, so the steps are click on start and click on settings, and in the app section, as you can see in the app section, you can see default apps. Okay, so click on default apps. Okay, and wait a minute, because you don't want Microsoft Edge to open the files, web pages and all. Instead you want web Chrome to open that. So there, as you can see, these are the default apps. As you can see here in the last section, you can see browser, web browser. So choose a default, click on this, and as you can see, Microsoft Edge is the recommended for Windows 10, but you don't want Microsoft Edge to open any web page. So you can click on Google Chrome, and now as you can see, our default web browser is Google Chrome. So whenever we open any web page or anything, it is related to the web page or anything, so it will open in Chrome. Okay, so let me show you one web page. Okay guys, so now we will check that our default web browser is Chrome or not. So as you can see here, I have downloaded one web page HTML file, and it is showing the Chrome browser. That means it is the default web browser. If I click on open, and you can see it has opened in Chrome. So that was the video guys. That's how you can make your Chrome your default web browser. And so thank you so much for watching. Please comment more videos you want and more solutions you want. If you like this video, then please like this video, share with your friends and families, and visit our channel, and you would also love the content I have created, like on Windows networking and all. So comment your maybe your thanks, and show your gratitude by giving me super thanks. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you.